Let's now move on to the second agenda item, which is how to introduce AI to kids. Now, this is a big question. Um, Give me a moment. Right. Okay. Now, AI can be, I'll say it can be daunting, not just to the kids, but to the adults too. At least it was to me when I started reading about it. I mean, I could not understand or make heads or tails of it. Once I started reading about it without even understanding anything, and I kept on reading, learning came much later. So what happened was that you read, you make children do activities till they understand the concept. No, I was going through the questions which were entered by you at the time of registration, and someone had asked a very good question, and I am phrasing it as it was. Okay, how do we teach the nuances of artificial intelligence to students even when they are not proficient with computers? Now, this is an excellent question. So, which is why I prepared an example and I'll show you an example activity. Kids love craft making, right? They are also familiar with origami, correct? Most of us would know how to make a paper boat. All of us have done this when we were small. And today also children know how to make paper boats, right? So let's teach them a concept of AI in a creative manner. Now, how to do that? Here, no prior knowledge of AI or computer science is needed. Um, I'll just speak out how we could do this, right? So first, help kids make a paper boat using an origami. Okay, then ask them to make two more similar boards with different paper sizes. So in all, you take three different paper sizes and make three boards. Okay, then let students mark them as 1, 2, and 3. Next, place number 1 in a tub of water and ask the child to predict how many coins it will hold before it sinks to the bottom. Ask them, and after they make the prediction, ask them to start adding coins. So were they able to predict correctly? Just keep a note of all these points. Then let kids do this for all the three boards and record the data in a table as shown on the screen. Now ask kids to predict result for a board which would be made with an even bigger size of paper. Now this will be board 4 and which will not be actually made. Don't let them create that board. Just ask them, if this is the size of the paper, then how many coins do you think it will hold? Let them predict. Tell them not to make it, just predict after studying data in the table. Were their prediction near the mark? Were they able to predict correctly? Tell your students what they just did was data analysis in artificial intelligence. The science of such processes of collecting and analyzing data to make predictions is called data science. So this is one of the numerous example activities which are available and which could help kids learn concepts of AI and analysis.